everyone, welcome to my tutorial how to drape over an unusual garment within your household. I've picked this lovely box that I have, and I'm going to drape over this box to create some shape that's not related to a garment at all, but we're going to use this shape later on to create a garment. So I've got a piece of calico and I've used quite a large piece. It's not large, but obviously larger than the box, and I place my calico over the box so I can cover the box with my calico, and it doesn't have to be in the middle of this calico piece. It could be anywhere. It could be on a slight angle, which affects your grain obviously and the drape of the garment. I'm putting it fairly on the straight grain. I can see my grain line going across on the calico, but this is entirely up to you. So what I'm going to do next is going to pin my corners over the box, making sure I'm catching this. Move this around, having a nice sharp edge here on these corners. You can also put a weight up the top so it's not moving around. But on the other hand, if it's slightly uneven, it doesn't really matter either. This is just to give you a guideline of the shape. And I move around to my last corner. And what I'm going to do next is to put a running stitch by hand onto these seams. You can also do it with a sewing machine. I'm going to do it by hand because it's quick and easy right now to show you. And I take one corner off. I start from the point. I have a double thread and a knot on the other end, and I just go back again just to secure stitch it. And with large stitching, it doesn't have to be super neat, just so it holds these seams in place and they don't come undone, because when you move around and drape over onto a mannequin, you'll find that pins will often fall out. And doing this exercise the first time round, it's quite confusing. When you have a little bit more practice, you'll understand it a bit more. And I do this on all 4 corners. When I get to the end, I back tack again and take this off.